Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Like guys, before starting the video please subscribe my channel, and today in this video we will discuss 40 dreamy small garden ideas to try on a budget. Nurturing a garden can make us feel happy, clamor and prideful, not to mention the presence of lush greenery and flowers can instantly spur up your outdoor space. Depending on your small space, you may choose easy to grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs that can be harvested at peak season, or opt for tropical plants, evergreen shrubs, or perennial flowers that require even less maintenance. Regardless, we have rounded up charming small gardens ideas that run the gauntlet, from building raised garden beds and unique vertical gardens to decorating with potted plants. Whether it's landscaping in the front yard, a vegetable garden in the back, or flower pots on a stylish patio, we have got a budget-friendly hack for every area of your home. Even if you are a beginner gardener, embrace a garden look on the porch by turning windy gutters into planters, hangs fresh herbs from a wooden platy, or got organized with hand crafted plants markers. If you want to flex your dye skill, try building a small fish pond, bubbly fountain, or orchard trails covered in the trailing plants. If you are building a brand new garden to revamp your current setup, don't forget to consider plants you would like to grow, and each pot sunlight, soil and water requirements. Now start scrolling these outdoor photos to find an ideas that's compatible with your small space. Guys, they are shown in the ideas shown in this video are very worldwide best ideas. I hope you are like these today in this video. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like, comments and share with your besties. Thank you. Guys, a great option for beginners, raised garden beds offer better soil drainage and don't require excessive tilling that can come along with an in-ground garden. Place small raised garden beds in the backyard, front yard, or even on a patio. Display multicolored flowers in a terracotta planter to save ground space. Take it a step further by recreating the beauty of a rainbow using red tulips, orange tiger lilies, yellow daffodils, and so on. This handcrafted sunflower sun catcher will add a dose of cheer to your outdoor garden. You will need a wooden flower and paint to get started, plus beads that will sparkle in the full sun. Turn an old wheel prop into a rustic flower garden. Just drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage. What's great about this setup is you can relocate your garden as needed. Summer flowers to enjoy in your outdoor garden all season long. If you are short on backyard space, hang flower filled planters from the porch, white willow gutter and about 20 feet on of nylon rope are the main components of this adorable hanging garden. Get the tutorial at Pretty in the Pines. Help your crops grow taller and straighter with metal support stakes. Keep your plants off the garden and give them better access to sunlight while also adding visual interest to your small garden. Dedicate space for a small fish pond surrounded by the natural paving stones, then fill in the area with lush bushes and flowers. You will likely want to start with a pond liner, but keep in mind you will need an array of items to keep fish alive like a pump and filter. Stay organized with plant makers from tomatoes and cucumber to jalapeno peppers. Make sure you know exactly where your fruits and veggies are plotted with plant makers. Choose a sunny setup. Before building a garden, keep in mind that most vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, at least 6 hours of sun per day. Heartily design carefully considers the needs to each plant and chooses to use a mix of raised garden beds and planting directly into the garden. Everything you need to know about starting a vegetable garden. Transform a side yard. Use stake braids to establish a garden in one area of the yard, ideally the side closer to your property's edge. Bring in mulch and stones, then let trees and shrubs flourish. Guys, beautiful backyard decor ideas to create an outdoor oasis. Make the most of tiny spaces. If all you have got in is a small patio, use potted plants and trailing vines or to breathe life into the space. The end result is incredibly charming. Add fox grass, stepping stones. You might not have a huge lawn, but that does not mean you cannot enjoy a bite of grass, even if it's fox. These fox grass stepping stones are inexpensive to make on your own. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like and leave a comment for our better guideline. Grow a lettuce green wow. Obsessed with lettuce for an unexpected touch to your garden. Let the pattern set the foundation for a green wall. Accent with a wind chime. Instantly elevate a small garden space with a beautiful birdhouse wind chime like designer Cat Annie does here. Not only will it draw birds to your yard, it will create a shooting sound in the process. Fill a tray with plants. This metal table, originally intended for serving drinks, now overflows with Irish moss and succulents on a patio. Grow a cocktail garden. You guessed it. A cocktail garden is a space designated to growing ingredients for delicious drinks. Go for herbs like mint, basil, and sage. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video we will discuss 5 such topics, home decor tips everybody should know while decoration their home. Guys, please, before starting a video, please subscribe my channel and till full watch my videos. Home is where the heart is, they say. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you retire after a long day, a place that brings you peace and joy. Your home should reflect your personality in the trust sense. While doing up your house is a dream come true, it can also be daunting when venturing into the world of home decor. Without any expertise, is both thrilling and challenging. From choosing the colors, plate, and texture to lighting, decoration, and furniture, the task of making decisions seems you have the freedom to bring your vision to life, but it might be a Herculean task without the guidance of professionals. Guys, sprucing up your home does not always require a complete overhaul or a hefty budget. You can definitely stick to the basics and build your home from there. With a little creativity and attention to detail, even the simplest addition can make a significant difference. Whether you are sitting into a new home or looking or to refresh your current space, there are the top 5 home decoration tips that can transform your space into a stylish and cozy haven. Guys, please, before starting topics, please subscribe my channel and till full watch my video. Thank you. Guys, first is understanding your personal style. The first step is decoration and in space. Whether you are working with experts or doing it yourself, it is to be clear about your personal style. Home styling is not about following trends but also about expression yourself, your aspiration, and even your quirky side. The colors that you like, the decoration that brings you joy, the aesthetics that you prefer. You need to think about that, what you prefer when it comes to interior styling, and trust your as you move ahead. If you are trying to understand your professional style, you can also read up on a different aesthetic and home decoration essentials that are currently trending by doing through the Pure Home Living blog. Guys, second step is priorities a focal point. Every room should have a focal point. It could be a sofa for a living room, a king size bed, or for the bedroom, a piece of artwork, a statement furniture piece, or even a uniquely designed wall. It depends on what you would like to keep as the main element with when it comes to styling. The only tip to keep in mind while picking a focal point is to choose a single statement piece that can take your space from simple is tricking. Guys, that part is starting with a natural base. When thinking about the colors you would want to incorporate into a space, it is key to start with naturals. A natural base like whites, beiges, grays, and taupees offer a timeless foundation and exude sophistication but also allow versatility as taste evolve or seasons change. Home decoration accent textures and colors can be seamlessly introduction or switch out. Guys, fourth is add colors with decoration. Introduce colors into your homes with home decoration pieces. It is one of the easiest rules to follow when it comes to home styling tips. Home decoration allow dynamic and periodic refreshes without commuting permanent changes of or color for color